Our buddies at Dunkin Donuts, man, they don't quit. They have come up with a collab with Scrub Daddy. Scrub Daddy are the famous kitchen scrubber things that were made popular on Shark Tank. Lori Greiner invested in Scrub Daddy and took them from nothing to $1 gazillion. So now they're everywhere, and they have things called Scrub Mommies and all kinds of stuff. And the cool thing is that they're not just selling them on the Dunkin site. I guess they're selling them. I don't know. I know they're selling them on the Scrub Daddy site. You can buy them outright. The set is $10. They're scratch-free, and they're made for delicate surfaces. Actually, it says they're out of stock, so no good. But you can see they look just like, they're just sponges. The original Scrub Daddies, they look like regular, they got the little happy face guy. Oh, here's a better picture. More contrasty when he's pink. Well, that's the Scrub Mommy. So anyway, it's got a little texture. It's got a thing for your spoon and different kind of utensils. These just look like donuts with sprinkles or orange donuts or whatever. But they've also got branded merch. They've got a little baby bib. They've got t-shirts, coffee mugs, caps, face masks. Do we really need face masks anymore? I don't think we do. A Scrub Daddy toys, a little pool float. Everybody's got a pool float now. A Scrub Daddy costume. That's kind of fun. I wonder where you get something like that. Those are cool. It's only $30. Wow. Scrub Daddy cucumber. That's weird. What is that, for bottles and stuff? Oh, it's an air freshener. Cucumber air freshener. Interesting. But yeah, I'm all about Scrub Daddy. That's a great story. Guy was I forgot what he did for a living. He was some kind of science guy or something. Anyway, he just figured out a better way to make a scrubber. When it's wet, it gets rigid and then heavy. And when it's dry, it's squeezy and pliable. It's a really cool story. But anyway, takeaway is look for unexpected brand partnerships that align with your values and appeal to your target audience. You know, I don't think a donut guy is the kind of guy that would scrub a kitchen. Maybe. It's unexpected, that's for sure. Anyway, I'm all about it. I'm all about Scrub Daddy too. I would buy it just for the novelty, but I like novelty stuff. Yeah, I got novelty all over these shelves back here. All right, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, y'all. YouTube's going to show you one more video. Sorry. How's it? Over here? It's over here. Thanks for watching, y'all. YouTube's going to show you 2 more videos right here. Pick one of those. What a mess. What a deal. End.